Hi, my name's Nikki. In this next video, we're going to share with you how you can bulk edit your data via Excel Online in Microsoft Power Apps. Here we have a Microsoft model-driven Power App, and this is our Project Hub Power App. What we can see here is a list of a series of projects within a view within the model-driven app. If I had the need to bulk edit key project metadata, I can do that via the Excel Online Wizard. When you edit via the Excel Online Wizard, you can edit data, but you can also add and/or append data. This is a great example of how some of our customers can bulk load their projects into the system really quickly and very efficiently. The first step is to go to the Export to Excel drop-down list at the ribbon and then select Open in Excel. A new box will open up within the browser tab that you have open, and you can come in here and you can either edit existing content or you can add more content into this particular Excel sheet and click Save. Let me show you an example. Perhaps maybe I want to change the portfolio for some of these projects to be the Institute portfolio. I can drag and drop and use the built-in Excel functionality, and I can then change all of those projects' portfolio names to the Institute portfolio. And then when I click Save, the data will run through a process, and then I'll be able to refresh the view that I was in previously and see the changes. That's how you can bulk edit your data. If I wanted to append additional data, maybe you have a list of projects and summary data information that you then want to bulk load into the system. Maybe you don't want to sit there and manually create projects, so all you need to do is go to the next row and enter in your project details. And now I've added an additional row with all the summary project data information. The next step is to select Save. You'll then be prompted with a message that says your data submitted for import has been generated. You can also select Track Progress, which will take you to the default My Import screen. This will show you all previous jobs that have run in the system as well as their statuses. And this is a great link to have within your model-driven app because you can always check and review if something did go through or perhaps something errored. You can also select the refresh button in the ribbon to track your progress. We can see in this example that it's gone from submitted to importing. And now we can see that the status for that particular process that ran is completed. When I click the cross, I can then refresh my screen and we can see the additional project that has now been added. Thanks for watching our video. Feel free to contact us if you need more help. hello@thedigitalproject.com.au